Hi everyone and welcome to a new UEFI tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about a new feature in UEFI 2 that is the multiple meter feature. So basically what this means is that you can have multiple super meters for different moves and options in your game. You can have up to 10 different meters per character in your own game. So let's see how this works. Let's open up our config file. Here we are, and let's go to GUI options. Open screens, and let's open Battle GUI. Now, as you can see, this is the basic UEFI Battle GUI. It's been for some versions now, but if you see, we have a new mirror here. This P, that is a round mirror. This is a partner mirror that was added, so one of the test characters can use another new feature that is the helpers. It's kind of a King of Fighters striker. Maybe we can see a tutorial about that too later. So first let's see this about the super mirrors. Now let's open here our canvas. Here is our battle GUI, and as you can see we have the gauge 1 bar border, the gauge 2, and inside of each gauge, also there is the player 2 versions, we have our image that is a field image. So UEFI can use this to fill a mirror. We have this mirror that is the super mirror, and this mirror that is the partner mirror. We can set up to 10 mirrors, as I say. So for example, I have a character which uses a gun, and I want to have a specific mirror just for the bullets. So what I have to do is I'm going to have to open my prefab and edit it here. So let's open Battle GUI, and I'm going to duplicate this mirror. I'm going to call it gauge 3 bar border. Move it a little bit up, and inside is going to be called gauge 3 bar fill. Alright, so let's set it up. First, let's change the gauge background. I made this image for my new background. It's just a PNG image that I've called, and it's set as a sprite to the UI. So okay, I say that's the shape of my new bar, and inside the gauge 3 bar fill I'm also going to change for another new image that I call bullet mirror is called. So as you can see, it is 10 bullets in an image. Alright, so if I select my bar fill, you can see my bullets fill the bar. Let's save or prefab. Let's return, and here it is. It's looking good. That's right. So now what I have to do is go to Battle GUI, and here in default Battle GUI in the script I have to say for player 1 and player 2 that there is a new gauge. For example, here they say they have 2 super gauges. I'm going to say 3, and here I have to select the bar fill. In this case is player 1 gauge 3 bar fill, and now it knows this is the bar I need to fill. So for player 2, all I have to do is duplicate let's apply changes to our prefab. Let's open again, and I'm going to duplicate this bar and put it right here, and it's going to be called player 2 gauge 3, and inside is player 2 gauge 3 bar fill, and let's move it here. Alright, there it is, and save the preview. Go back, and here it is. I have my two gauge 3, one for player 1 and one for player 2. So again, in Battle GUI, player 1 has 3 gauges already, player 2 only has 2, so let's again select 3, and let's select player 2 gauge 3 bar fill. Okay, so here are my 3 super mirrors set up. Let's overwrite to save the changes, and sometimes it doesn't allow you to close your prefab, but as it is saved, there is no problem with just deleting it. So let's delete it, and let's test our game right now.
Round 1. Fight!
As you can see, now I have my 3 gauges right here. So now what I have to do is go to the move I want to edit. So for example, let's select Lionel shot. It's a move where he shots, and here in gauges I have this set it up already, but let's remove it. So for example, if I execute the move, you can see that the gauge didn't deplete. So now in my move, I just have to go to gauge, new gauge options, and here it asks me what gauge is going to be affected by the move. So I say it's gauge 3, which is the bullets. In which frame? It's around 10, I think. Is it going to gain gauge? No. I'm not going to start draining or stop draining. So are we going to gain gauge? No. Gauge on the block. Gauge gain the block? No. Required? Yes. 10% because I have 10 bullets. So every shot is gonna deplete 10% of my gauge. Gauge cost 10. The opponent gets any gauge? No. So now if I shoot, and I can make the move until the bar fills again. I can set any other move to get gauge. For example, I still don't have it, but I can make a move where he recharge his gun, and I can set the gauge to gain gauge on that move, and I can have my gauge filled again. So I can have special meters for any kind of moves, and you can have a really creative time adding them to your characters, like a B trigger or like a blast blue kind of specific character traits with new mirrors, or also in Injustice where they use the same system. And as you can see, it's quite easy to set up. You just need to create the gauge, tell the Battle GUI that this is a gauge, and then in your move specify which gauge are you going to alter with the move, if it is draining or gaining gauge. So I hope you find this interesting. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you later in a next tutorial. Thanks.